Hi, my name is Jeremy.
Hey, I'm Stacia.
We taught level 3, Musicality and Connection Month. That's right.
Yeah, and so we spent some time sort of relearning some of the things you already know about the ways that we're interacting each other when we dance with each other, the power that I have as a follow, that I'm contributing to the dance. We're not going to go through those, but if you were in class, you remember. And towards the end, we spent some time on a triple step turn for the first time, which was pretty exciting, and did some solo drills and then put that into a move that's called what?
A rollout?
A rollout, yeah. And so I'm going to remind you of some of the drills that we did for the triple step turn. You can do them with me if you want.
No, I'm good. You do it.
No, just me? Okay, sounds good. So we were talking about being able to do half turn, half turn, half turn, half turn without sort of compromising the shape of our body, letting one foot go, or just our shoulders go, or just our head go, or something like that. So our first exercise was trying rock, step, half. No, it wasn't. The first exercise was rock, step, pulse, 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 pulse. 2 pulses every time, a half turn every time, being mindful of actually trying to complete that turn every time. The next one we did was to do a single pulse on every turn. Rock, step, pulse, 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 pulse. And again, trying to not let one foot go away, one knee go away, etc.
And
then we did the whole triple step turn normal footwork pattern, which is rock, step,
down and
step,
down.
Triple step. You have a little more time on that second triple step. And then we put it into a move.
Yeah, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6.
And we didn't do this in class with everyone, but if you do a circle into that, it gets that nice, juicy, circular rock step that we were working on earlier. So we'll show that. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's what we did. You guys did great. We'll see you later.